Hey YouTube, what's up? I just got my package in from Amazon. Got it in. Just marked out my information so you guys don't know who I am or where I live. So right now we're gonna do an unboxing of my Irwin 30, no wait, 29 piece drill bit set. It's the titanium. So right now I'm gonna open the box and we're gonna see what's inside. Air Plus. There's really no air in it, it's just bags. Alright, so this is what it basically comes with. 29 piece drill bit set for 1/16 to half inch in 1/64 increments. I guess that's how you say it. It comes with a turbo tip, turbo max tip, flattened shank for no chuck slipping. It does wood that looks like PVC and pipe and steel. Durable protective case, 10 times faster starter. That's the side view. That's the back. Removable cartridges, protective rubber overmolding. 3 steps to open. We slide back, open up, and lift. So let's see what we got. I'm trying to do this all one-handedly, and so far it's working. Hold on, I gotta put the camera down. Alright, so here's the case. I thought it was going to be smaller than what it looked like online. So they said to pull back and lift. Wow. Look at all that. Look at that. Look at that. Whew. I hope these perform better than my DeWalt bits, because they suck. Look at that. That's probably for this bottom piece right there. It looks smaller than the regular bit. That's probably for your 3/8 drill chuck. For people that don't have the half-inch drill chuck. What else do we have? We have a tap and drill selection chart. If you would like to come out, let's see. We have it just talks about your diameter type, decimal equivalent, fractional tap, machine screw tap, metric tap, and screw extractor. So this basically just tells you, it's like we'll say for instance, what should we do? Like a 730 seconds is going to be a 1/4 inch by 32. What's that? NS is National Special. And that's what you use for a tap. And then screw extractor will be EX3. And I do also have the I don't have the tap and die from Irwin, but I have the screw extractor set, and it has that too. But I just got an email from one of those tool companies. It's like I think for like $102 or something like that, you get a 76 piece Irwin tap and die set. Because I'm looking to trade that in for my Harbor Freight crap that I have. Cause that's just like shit. Because I tried using it once and it's like extremely shitty. So I want to try new stuff. I want to go for like better names than freaking Harbor Freight. So this looks like it's gonna be a good set. And I guess they were right about the removable cartridges. Yeah, see, there's two little tabs right here, right there, and right there, and then that's how you remove them. I'd say just to put them back in would just basically be the same way. Yeah. And then you just hear the click. So then there's it. Oh yeah, yeah. It just closes automatically, but to open it you gotta pull the you gotta pull and then open. So my guess you gotta pull to shut. Yeah. So that's the 29 piece. That's the 29 piece Irwin Turbo Max drill bit set from 1/16 to 1/2 inch drill bit set. If you like the video, please rate, subscribe, and comment if you want any more unboxing videos. This is going to be the first unboxing. And I'm always looking for new tools and seeing what's new on the market and trying to get like the latest and newest tools. So if you do that, I'll see what I can do. Alright, farewell.